Now I would like to invite Dr. Sarita Nagpal and her colleague Ravinder Kumar to present lean experiences in the small and medium sector. Most welcome, please.
Yeah, I will note that. Yeah, ma'am, you can start. I'll go to directly a software.
Okay. A very good afternoon, everybody. I am very grateful to the Ministry of MSME for giving us the opportunity to come and make this presentation. And special thanks to the officers at the DC's office and all those who have organized today's function. It's always a lot of, I think, work that goes behind the scenes to put together a stage like this, because we ourselves are organizers, and we are very, very grateful that this opportunity has come to us. I'm not sure how many people are aware of the history and background, but it is in the year 2000 that I had the opportunity to invite Professor Yoshikazu Suda to come and work with us and teach us what is today the cluster approach. And we implemented that with the help of Maruti's suppliers, and about 20 suppliers were taken through the cluster journey, and they all today are world-class companies. That is how the cluster movement really came. Since then, we have implemented the cluster approach in more than 237 clusters across the country, right from Ludhiana onwards to Calcutta, to Erode, Mumbai, Pune, Faridabad, Delhi, Rudrapur, and we have a team of more than 30 full-time experts who are working in this area. The distribution of this cluster program is across the country and across sectors. So there is no sector that's left in the manufacturing area, and we were the creators of the roadmaps. So we have a roadmap right at the basic level, then we have advanced roadmaps, we have an engineering roadmap, and we are now working on a new roadmap called the Indian Production System. So it is to take companies over at least 5 to 6 years through a very structured approach, which I think is very unique to CII. And over to Ravinder, because one time I was a counselor, I used to do all this work, but today I have many, many hands who are doing this work, and we are very happy to share this expertise with the ministry officials, and we hope that we will have chance to also demonstrate one of the best approaches on clusters to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. I will start with the key cluster results, what we along with our partners have achieved with more than 2,500 companies. We have done more than 1 lakh Kaizens which are implemented via the CI cluster approach. More than 1,000 crore of savings which has been achieved, reported by various national, international newspapers. More than 50,000 professionals trained via cluster methodology. Reduction in rejection and rework by more than 80%, customer complaints by 50%, ITR improvement by 50%, manufacturing cost reduction, conversion cost reduction by 25%, and ultimately improving the profitability of SME by 50%. We do National Cluster Summit. We had completed 6 National Cluster Summits where we give awards to all our companies who has worked in any cluster in India. This program is done jointly by CII, ECMA, Maruti Center of Excellence, IMTMA, and NIQR. Generally in October, where we award best Kaizens in India for SME and large category, and best case studies in India in any of the clusters in country. So what we say cluster is basically a specific industrial, is a group of 8 to 12 companies from a specific industrial sector, particular geographical location, or suppliers of an OEM. I will not take much time. I will just say that we make factories visual, hospital clean from inside, and garden green from outside. We create jogging tracks inside the companies, and ultimately improve top line and bottom line. These are the measurements. We create dashboard. Like on the car, we have a dashboard where I can see whether fuel is there or not. I can see what speed my car is running. Same way, create a dashboard for the companies where we measure various 14 indicators, 7 primary and 11 secondary indicators. Keep on moving. I will just share some of the photographs from shop floor. This is the machine. Generally, people say our machines are old. So life of machine for us is 150 years. So this is machine before, after, a panel before and after. Outside area, this is an example of garden green. This is a shop floor from Godrej. We had worked with all plants of Godrej all over India, including their suppliers. Even we had written a book for the cluster journey with Godrej. This is one of the plants of Godrej in Pune. You can see a factory inside a factory. Almost 70% space created free. The turnover was 120 crores, today doing 250 crores in a journey of 2.5 years. Some of the improvements with respect to quality, inventory, scrap, where the policy is that I want to earn more by selling scrap, we eliminate scrap. Which products I can create? We create a scrap museum. And what kind of products I can create from scrap? Welding spatter is a big issue. Spatter elimination projects. Creating a welder training center. And ultimately creating a soft floor where everybody wants to work with. Like a mall, like a 5-star hotel. These are some of the success stories of our clusters. Our request to Ministry of MSME is that we had already submitted 18 proposal for 18 clusters, and we are looking forward for working with Ministry North, South, West and East. This is one of the closing ceremony with MSME cluster in Kolkata. We are working on Indian production system which would be launched very soon, most probably in this October, IPS. As per our guru, Professor Suda, we had converted all his learnings into a book, and from that learnings we are creating with the help of ECMA, Indian Production System, which will be launched covering all aspects of lean with respect to Indianized way. I will say it's one step ahead of Toyota production system, where Mr. C. Narasimhan, past President Sundaram and past President ECMA and our cluster head for CII is helping us in developing this Indian production system, and would be rolled out most probably this October. Thank you.